It was the Everglades, what we call Miami-Dade, the bright place. It was that bright place that saved us and sheltered us from removal and from destruction. And we were always reminded that we cannot leave the bright place, that as long as we're there, that our culture and our identity and our language will continue to survive and thrive.
Fundamentally, what the Corps did in 1948 was the Everglades was a river that flowed from Lake Okeechobee. They took this river and they built a series of lakes and dams. That was the flood control approach. It wasn't until the system started getting built, about 1965 to 1970, I think there was a recognition that something is desperately wrong. Fish and wildlife populations collapsed throughout the Everglades. There's no water going into Everglades National Park, hearings in Congress, and they kind of said this really wasn't what we had in mind.